YouTube? This is Charlie, guys, and today we're unboxing the Kit-Polk 10-inch subwoofer. I'm right now replacing this, I don't know, 6-inch subwoofer I have, which I've had for over 12 years, so it needs to go. I need something better with more bass and everything like that. This I got on Amazon. I'll leave all the link down below in the description. I think I paid around $86 for this. I got it at the Amazon warehouse. This is the PSW10 model. Again, I will leave all the link down below for you guys. Let's go ahead and let's open this up. It's no biggie. I also got the cord for it also. I think I paid like about $8 for the cord on there, so probably less than $100 for these two items. But you can see them here. I got the black one. So let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah. So here's the bad boy right here. You can see, wow, pretty nice. Have your Kit-Polk logo right here. Nice cloth screen. I think this is supposed to, this can come out. And there you go. Nice 10-inch subwoofer right here. Kind of nice, smooth. It feels, I think it's wood right here. It's all wood. So let's put this back. At the bottom here, you have some plastic legs right here, in case you have done tile or something to keep it off the floor to protect the wood. Nothing on the sides, and at the back you have all your control, volume, low bass, auto on, power, your power light, your line in, and if you're gonna use your speaker wires in there, which I'm not. In my case, I'll show you guys. Let's go ahead and try this on right away. Here we go. Nice thick cord. See? 2 inputs, 1 out here, and 2 in here. So this goes here, and 1 for the input right here. So that's pretty good. You have your manual. So on this one, you have a subwoofer wireless Rocketfish box on this here. So everything is wireless. So I don't have to run a lot of cords. So we no longer, well, we're just gonna take this out from here, and this goes in my wireless adapter right here, and this goes into my in. And all we have to do now is pour it up. You should be good to get rid of this one. Just gonna pour this in, and there we go. Okay, here we go.
This is the one that people will smile at me. I can feel your pain, even though life is not the same. Have you ever eat rice and water? Have you ever lived without light and water?
So this is the solid gold. Something really good, better than I thought that it would. This old one have nothing on it. Something really good, just what I needed. Like and subscribe. This is Charlie. I will leave all the description down below. I am really surprised that it's working so well with the wireless subwoofer box. Really cool, Rocketfish. I will leave also the video I made on this one. I picked this up on sale at, I think. I'll leave all the link down below for you guys. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.